What's good, Gadget Squad? Welcome back to the channel. With emerging diseases and extreme wildfires doubling in frequency and intensity in the last 20 years, smoke is affecting more people. My suggestion to everyone is to keep a respirator or a gas mask at home. You never know when you'll need it. Today, we're diving into Honeywell's 5500 series, the half-mask respirator. This NIOSH-approved respirator is rated R95OV. The R signifies oil resistance. The number 95 reflects the percentage of how effective the mask is at filtering out aerosols. The OV here stands for organic vapors, which it filters against. First, let's go over the mask itself. The silicone rubber construction ensures a secure tight fit, and it doesn't compromise comfort for long-term wear. Now let's talk about the inside of the mask. The 5500 features a soft sealing surface, which helps provide a better fit and improve comfort, especially around the face. The built-in exhaust valve helps you with airflow, heat reduction, and moisture buildup. The exhaust port also keeps your glasses and goggles from fogging up. This is a good mask to consider because it's built with high-quality materials to offer protection against a wide range of airborne hazards like dust, fumes, vapors, and gases. So if you're working in environments where you need that extra protection, trust me, this is it. What makes the 5500 versatile is that it utilizes replaceable filters and cartridges. What's cool is that it's compatible with a wide range of Honeywell filters, which include particulate filters, organic vapor filters, and combination filters. It depends on which kind of hazards you're facing, to be honest. These cartridges easily screw into place, so changing them is quick and simple. It's now time for the most important part, how to wear the respirator. First, cover your nose and mouth with the mask. Next, pull the strap over your head to secure the position. After that, adjust the tightness. Now bring these bottom straps around the back of your neck and clip them together. Finally tighten and adjust to your liking. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay safe. Peace.